Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing TikTok beauty products that TikTok made me buy. I've been wanting to try all these products for so long and a lot of them were really hard to find just because anything that you say is really good on TikTok will sell out for weeks. So I finally got my hands on a bunch of the products that are super hyped up and I tried them out for you guys in this video. There goes the lighting. And yeah, if you haven't seen my other TikTok video, I made a little recipes, like trying viral recipes, and I'll leave it up here in a card up here. But yeah, I'm super excited for you guys to see this, and without rambling on, let's just get into it. Alright, so it's a little bit of a bad hair day right now, and I am trying my best to not let it bother me, but it's bothering me. Alright, so I'm kind of going to go in order of how I do my makeup, and then in between I'll just do other products that I didn't, buy anything for. So I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now, I have already tried this. This is the only product in this video that I have already tried, but I wanted to use it as like my base, just to see if it, works. I didn't like it. I don't know. I just did not like this product. I felt like it wasn't, filling my pores or anything, but I want to give it another chance and I'm going to. So basically it looks like this. It's just like a little bit of like a soft type of cream, I guess. So I'm gonna do it on one side of my face and see kind of like what the deal is, and then I'll, check the other side after. And I just want to see like the difference between both sides. Oh, I put a lot. Whoops. Both sides of my face. Just to, get a good like gauge on if it's actually doing anything. This is really up close and personal, but what do you guys think? I feel like there's no difference. I don't know if it's just me, but I just don't see a difference in between my like sides of my face, and I feel like that's just as good as any test to like see if it works. And like, I don't know, I literally just saw it not really work on my skin for, the standards that I had for it, I guess. But it does kind of like add like a nice base. I just feel like it doesn't fill in like any pores or anything, and I feel like that's the basis of what it's advertising it to be. So I don't know, the thing is, this product is so hyped that I feel like it's maybe just not working for me, but obviously it works for a lot of other people. So if this works for you, if you think I'm like using it wrong in some way or something I can do for this, let me know, because I would definitely want to try it like even more. I'm going to keep it in my collection and use it as a primer sometimes, just because it is a very like nice feeling base. All right, so for foundation, I'm going to be using one of the really highly raved products from TikTok, which is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Now I've seen this one and that little CoverGirl, like I forgot, I feel like it has the word fresh in it as well, but it's like a BB cream. I've seen that all over TikTok as well, but I use the Clean Matte one of those. Oh yeah, it's the Clean Fresh BB cream. Yeah, so I use the Clean Matte one because it's for oily skin, but the other one looks really great. Anyway, I'm going to be using this one today, and I'm super excited to try it out. I got the color 440, and we'll just see if this is my right shade or not. But I've heard such good things about this foundation. It's a little like thin, like liquidy, I guess, which I actually do like, because I feel like that settles into my skin better. But I don't know if I got my blender too damp or not. So let's see. Obviously I'm doing the wrong side because you guys can't really see, but I'm just gonna do this side and see how much like coverage it gives, because I do have more like blemishes and stuff on this side. It's looking really good right now. I'm really shocked that it's looking this good this early. Like, wow, it looks flawless. Like, it literally looks really even, and it's very thin feeling right now. I'm I'm very into this foundation right now, and I'm literally, like, I just started using it. Wow. All right, so this side has the foundation, this one doesn't. Obviously the color match isn't perfect, but I feel like also I'm a little bit pale right now because I haven't been in the sun too much. All right, so this is the foundation. I am so thoroughly impressed with this foundation. I think that it's such a nice thin foundation that feels really light on the skin but has such good payoff and like coverage. I'm really interested in getting a better shade for my skin tone, but I feel like I'll keep this one for when I'm a little bit more tan and stuff. But it's definitely more yellow toned right now. I don't know, I hope I don't look bad in the camera. I feel like the camera's picking me up a little bit more orange than it looks in person, but I'm gonna try to fix it up with like concealer and powder, and I'll be back. I'm gonna be trying this e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and this one's in Flirty Birdie. And it's like I think it's like a rose gold probably. So these are the little bottles or components, I guess, I don't really know. And they're kind of small. I definitely expected it to be a little bit bigger, but let's just see how this pays off. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my hand. Oh wow, that's very glittery. I don't even know if I want to put this on my eyes because I feel like that's gonna throw off the whole look, but I'm gonna commit and I'm gonna do this on my eyes. I'm just gonna do it in the inner corner like area, or in the inner half, and then just kind of blend it out with my fingers. I know that's not really how you use these types of products. You can do like a cut crease with this. I'm not that, you know, that much of a makeup person, so I'm just gonna do like a little swipe right here, kind of. Wow, that's what it looks like. We're just gonna do the same to the other eye. Alright, so as you can see, the glitter's kind of spread out really nicely. I love that about this because it kind of makes it a little tiny bit more like natural, I guess, and just kind of more laid back than just having a bunch of glitter. But you can build it up, I'm pretty sure. So I really like this. I give this like a 5 out of 5. I'm not rating these products. Alright, so now I'm gonna just finish off my eyes and then I'll come back again. So now I'm coming back to the face and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Cheek Heat Gel Cream Blush in the color Nude Burn. This is supposed to be a dupe for Glossier Cloud Paint. I've never tried that one, so I can't really compare them. I feel like those cloud paints are, I forget how much they are, maybe like $12, I don't remember. And I think this was like $6 or something. So this is what it looks like. It's really similar to the whole Glossier Cloud Paint just because it looks like a little acrylic paint tube. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some on my fingertips and then just blend it onto my face. I don't really know how much I should put on, so I'm gonna go in a little bit light with like a light hand, and then I'll like build up. I'm loving this. It's super nice and blendable, and it adds such a pretty tint to the face. I definitely think I put a little bit too much on this side and not enough on this side to match it, but you know, it's okay. And I'm gonna put some on my nose. All right, so this is such a pretty blush. I'm obsessed with it. It's like a satin finish and I love it. But we're gonna move on to lips now. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator first. This is super popular on TikTok and I used to use this when I was younger, and I heard that this is a new formula of this product even though it looks the exact same. So we'll see. I got the brown sugar one because that's the one that I used to use and it's the one that was at the store. But I know that they have like 4 other types. I think they have like a cherry and a coconut or something like that. I don't really know. But anyway, it looks like this. It looks just like it used to look, I'm pretty sure. And it just is a lip exfoliator in a lipstick form. So I actually really like this. I think it's really cool because you don't have to like dig your finger into something, especially right now, like it's, you know. So I really like this. I'm going to try it. And I remember it definitely smells a little funky, but also smells good in some ways. Whoa. Wow. It's like really rough, but also definitely feels like it's like really exfoliating. That feels really good. It leaves your lips looking really nice. Kind of brought back a little bit of color into my lips. And it has kind of like a balm to it as well. So it leaves them very soft and like you just put it on lip balm as well. So that's really cool. I really like this. I remember really liking this when I was younger, and I would like use it before I went to bed and stuff. So it's definitely not really changed my opinion on it. I really think that it's worth it to get it because it is only like $4 if you're looking for a nice like little lip scrub. And then you can use any like other lip balm or lip mask or whatever. All right, so I took a little bit of the balm that was left over from the lip exfoliator so that I can try another product, which is the Winky Lux Confetti Balm. It's a color enhancing pH balm that just changes colors from the pH of your lips. And this is a really, really popular product on TikTok, as well as the one that has a flower inside. So this one's a confetti balm, and then they have one that has real chrysanthemum at the bottom, and there's like a yellow, a purple, green, and a pink, I think, just different colored chrysanthemum flowers inside a little lip balm, and they're supposed to change colors to your lips. This is the balm. It is so pretty, and it's like, it's just got a bunch of confetti in it, and it's kind of purpley because it's the lavender one. Yeah, this is the lavender confetti balm, and they just come in little like bullet tubes, you know, like those bullet lipsticks, and it's just really pretty. So now we're gonna try it. What do we think? Because I think that there's definitely a little bit of a difference. It's definitely pink, but I don't know if it's like worth it. On my hand, that's what it looks like. So it's definitely pinky on there. I definitely think it worked because like, look, that's definitely not like a natural lip color, but it's just a little bit like of a difference. So that's what I look like. A little bit busted. Anyway, now we're going to be trying the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. This product was sold out everywhere for so long. I don't even know how I got it. Like, I literally don't even know. But it was like $7, and I've heard such good things about it. I also have heard that it does burn, and I have a history of like things like burning my skin really easily because I have sensitive skin. So I read every single thing I needed to read about this, and basically people with sensitive skin should only use this like once every 2 weeks, and just really slowly gradually like add, and only do it for like 3 minutes as opposed to 10. Some people do 5, some people do like 2 or 3. I'm gonna go as long as I can without like, you know, feeling like my skin is literally peeling off. But this is supposed to be a really, really good chemical exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants are way better than physical exfoliants for so many different reasons. I'll let you guys watch Skincare by Hiram and other people on TikTok talk about this, but I'm not like a skincare expert. But I do love the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. I'm probably gonna put it on after I use this. What I'm gonna do now is just put it on, and I'll wait for a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash it off and come back because I hate my bathroom lighting. So it literally looks like blood. Everyone shows this, so I don't know why I'm showing you guys it as if you haven't seen it, but it's just really crazy to me that I'm finally like, you know, using it. So I'm gonna drop some on my hand. Oh shoot. And I'm just gonna, okay. Oh, maybe I shouldn't. This is literally blood. I mean, like, what is this supposed to feel like? Just crazy because this is literally, ew, doesn't smell that great. Am I supposed to use a thin layer? Am I supposed to use a thin layer or like a thicker layer? Actually, I know it's not supposed to be thick. And now we wait till it really, really burns. Apparently it's supposed to burn. I don't really know. It's kind of itching on my nose right here. So I'm super confused because I usually feel a burn instantly on anything that's supposed to burn. But I'm not feeling anything, which I'm actually really happy about because I was really scared that it was gonna burn a lot. I'm beginning to think maybe, just maybe, my skin wasn't dry enough, like after I washed my face, and maybe that's the reason why it's not burning. I don't really know, but I'll try the skin another day and let you guys know what it's doing for my skin. I'm gonna go wash it off. It's not burning or anything, but since I have sensitive skin, I wanna be careful because it is a chemical exfoliant, and that's really just something you can't really play around with. So I'll be right back. Whoa. So I don't want to say that my skin looks so perfect and like I'm like looking the best I've ever looked, because that's not, you know, the case right now. But I will say my skin doesn't look very dull, and it's so soft. Like, my skin is so soft right now, and I never really experienced that. And wow, it just really feels good. I feel so clean and just rejuvenated, I guess. It feels really nice, especially after that makeup. Wow. All right, so final thoughts. This product is such a good product in my opinion. I really love it. But I don't want to say it like you all have to go out and buy it. I can't say that because I don't have that much experience from it. But one time using it, I feel like my skin is super, super soft and rejuvenated. So I'm super excited to see what other results this can give me, because chemical exfoliants are really, really great for your skin. And I'm excited. If you have any recommendations on how to use this product better, or like if you think that I should have used like thicker or thinner layers, literally anything you want to tell me about this. And I specifically want to know anyone's experience with it, if it's like helped you with your skincare concerns. There goes the sun again. And just like anything that you want to tell me about this product, because I know it's like a super, super popular product, and I know other people have definitely been using it for a longer time. So maybe if you come across this video and you have been using it for a longer time, you can let me know how it worked out. Any product that you want to talk to me about in the comments would be great. This e.l.f. putty primer, how do you guys use it? Do you use a lot? Do you use a little? Is it actually good? I don't really know. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe for more content. My socials are down below, but I normally just use Instagram, so just beware. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.